Good morning everyone. Welcome to our EVS class. Today we will do the practice exercise of chapter number 1. For this, open page number 7. Here the A is match the following. In match the following, the first one is looks just like each other. It means almost similar. So they are called identical twins. So you have to join first to C. Second, relatives on mother's side. That is called maternal. So join second to E. Third is children of uncles and aunts. They are known as cousins. And who are siblings? Siblings are real brother and sisters. So you have to join here third to B. Fourth one is parents and children living together. In a family, if parents and children are there, that is called nuclear family. And the last one is very large family. So we have to join very large family to joint family. It includes everyone, either parents, grandparents, cousins, siblings, uncle, aunts, everyone. Now come to page number 8. B, it's fill in the blanks. First one is a family is a group of people who are related to each other and live together. Clear? Second, a small family is also known as nuclear family. Both are same. Either it's called small family or nuclear family. Third, all the family members gather together during festivals. At the time of festivals, they get together. Fourth one, a family where parents, grandparents and children live together is called a joint family. And fifth one, every family has its own set of values. Now come to C. Guess who am I? It means for the given statement you have to write down the perfect word. Okay. So the first one is your uncle's daughter. Your uncle's daughter is your cousin. Second, your mother's father. It means आपके मम्मी के पापा. So in English we called him maternal grandfather. Clear? Third, your grandfather's son. आपके दादाजी के बेटे. वो आपके पापा भी हो सकते हैं और आपके चाचा भी हो सकते हैं. So you can write both the things, father or uncle. Clear? Fourth one, your father's mother. आपके पापा की मम्मी. आपकी पापा की मम्मी, वैसे हम उन्हें दादी बोलते हैं, but in English we will call it paternal grandmother. Okay? You remember this? Maternal for mother's side and paternal for father's side. And fifth one is your mother's husband. It means आपके मम्मी के husband. आपके क्या लगेंगे? He is your father. Okay? Come to D. Take the correct statements and cross out the incorrect one. First one, I am a part of my family. Yes, of course you are a part of your family if you are living in that family. So you have to take first one. Second, we should be rude to our elders. No, we never should be rude to our elders. We must be polite. So it's the wrong statement. So you have to cross it. Third one, all the members of a family participate in wedding celebrations. Yes, all the members of family participate in wedding celebrations. It's correct statement. So you have to tick. Fourth, I should not help my mother at home. If you are a part of family, then each and every family member have to help each other. Is it? So this statement is incorrect. So you have to cross it, okay? And the last one is, the husband of my father's sister is my uncle. So your father's sister कौन होंगी? आपकी बुआ. उनके जो हस्बैंड होंगे वो आपके अंकल लगेंगे, चाहे वो आपके चाचा हो, ताऊ हो, फूफा हो, वो सब आपके अंकल लगेंगे. क्लियर? Question answers we have already done through PDF. So here it's complete. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.